fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow citizens of the British Southern Cameroon territory. Today is another new day. It's Saturday. Shalom, Shabbat Shalom to all Ambazonian believers. I want to welcome to another edition of the No Connie Talk Zone. And we are still getting familiar with this software. So I don't know if I'm actually live or not, but I will just continue anyway. The most important thing is to leave behind a digital footprint for others to see. So, but we hope we will have more people to have an interactive session today. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to this No Connie Talk Zone. Today we have in stock to you an episode titled Amber to Amber, the Federalists Fight Back. So I want to just run today to you to present this information about what is going on for you to see how the government of Cameroon is fighting back to our revolution. So you are all welcome. All man, una welcome for us. Gladys Mbamsi, una welcome you. Mami Prisika, I salute you. Welcome. Wally on the move. Our heroine, you are welcome. Happy New Year in advance. I salute una all. And all man be highly welcome for us today. And I will get very important presentation for Duam today. And the title for today was show the Federalists, the fight back. And as usual, we Ambazonian they would overtake them for lightly, would take them lightly. And things that happen before they destroy our forces them on the ground, using our forces, they infiltrate our struggle for the frontline leaders, for make a move implode, and we need to take warning them seriously. We will be na activism, na the best thing that we fit do am. Activists, their job no be for begin act like say we be leader them. Now we lead the movement them. Of course, we lead opinion them. Our job now for do the hard job, the day-to-day job, for expose all the people where they try for destroy this was struggle, for make sure say me this struggle can turn like SDF struggle. We need for expose them, name them, shame them, and make sure so our struggle they go na towards the right direction. So today at the camp I can address some very important thing. And today I don't bring this map for my back, Mona see, Mona remember place who come out. Now la Republique du Cameroon, now then separate we. Now then separate we, now see this flag. That way they be celebrate for la Republique. Then cut the section for Ambazonia. For sure we say the celebration for their country. It didn't for inside la Republique their side. You know then for inside Ambazonia their side. Now for sure we say will not be a part for the country. This part for la Republique will not be na their part, will be na Ambazonians. Now then be done bring that mindset. Now they be start this separation. Now they be secede for the union. Now they be bring all this corny way the French government began for Aijo for handback. It carry for France. It can enter for Yaoundé. It bring this fake referendum for can divide the country for take will like capture people for begin take what petrol. So all my wanna welcome today. While you're on the move, you are love. We love you so much, Mama. You don't inspire we. You don't show we. Which is the value way that they call and say true value. You've been a princess for Ambazonia. We thank you so much. General Mba Ivor, he don't always talk very good for salute you for the great thing where you do without people then like so we don't know how for day. So all man be welcome for us. And we will start today normally like we always do for this show. For sing our national anthem. Today we will sing on live thanks to technology with our Ambazonia forces them on the ground. And then we will take one song for salute all man for welcome all man for us. I hope so all na be chop Christmas when I remember our boy them for ground zero. When I be send money for rice. I want salute all my way send money for rice, money for red oil. Me the boy them too then get something for chop and for Christmas. So all man I salute una. All assimilated Ambazonia the way they talk na good English. Una welcome for the house. Now the places who na been a minority. The one a place for Ambazonian talk where all man be inclusive. Now but they way no coordinate the day with the talk to me people that understand what it happen. Me then get the accurate knowledge. For be equipped, for be empowered, for take decision the way it matter for their future. We no wonder corny way they bring assimilated language for begin the talk to one and they know it happen. So all man be welcome for us today. I salute all now. Pray salute. Merry Christmas. Happy for all man. All picking the way they don't succeed for buy small bolo for game for a refugee picking them salute una the one they don't get small bonbon. The one way they get power for cash fowl for chop fowl. The man picking the way that they be cash fowl for the Christmas. We salute all now. We remember on our sacrifice. Without una, who will keep out for us. So all man be welcome today. When I join me with our Amber boy, then we will sing our national anthem before we enter today for our Tori. We gonna hear what the way did. The Ambazonia and the way they be embedded to our inside our struggles. The federalism where they carry Ambazonian flag. They fight back, and are they today for expose them, for shame them, make una sabi who them be who. So that when they talk, when I go know where they talk, they come out. All man be welcome for us. Azona wata asaloruna. Gills, I salute you. So me go sing our national anthem, and we go sing them with the technology. We go to see what boy them how they sing the anthem today. Fine with we. So all man turn up fine. We will sing anthem together with our people for ground zero. When I see how they sing national anthem for ground zero, this struggle not be struggle way come over diaspora. Need a war between sin now Ambazonia than this. They sing about the whole ground zero. Amba boy they rise up and defend way to where people they stand for. So the whole world know. So they want to be struggle for diaspora. But we for diaspora we talk about on behalf of those for ground zero. We are the Republic of Cameroon. They are going to never allow the people to talk. So we are the appointed parole. So salute Ambazonia flag, Ambazonia anthem, with the people that embrace them to express their nationality and their nationalism. With the whole world knows that human rights fight this. We fight to give our people their human right to live the life and their identity with the international law and then recognize them for the independence where they began to live for 1961. Narendar Runasia Narenabo Granzero 2017. Now they are fight war the fight and today so we know the fight now say we'll the fight na politics. Like that from did they fight? No, we are fighting for the people. This is the people's movement. It is the people's revolution. It started in ground zero from the grassroots. It was because of the brutality of Mr. Paul Biya that we found ourselves speaking from the diaspora. We are not doing any other thing than assisting the people on ground zero to give them a voice to speak. We are the voice of the voiceless. We are the vanguard of those people who aspire to be free and independent according to United Nations Resolution 1608. We speak on behalf of them. We are here to assist a popular movement in ground zero that is supported by 99% of the Ambazonian people who want independent and nothing but independent. So all man be welcome today for us. We will take one time, we'll sing one song, some country song for Ambazonia, for Ambas Bay, for people that for Ambas Bay, Northern Zone. We will join them, we'll sing this Mutumbu, while we will welcome all man today for us. The song na a traditional song for Ngi. People where they know Ngi for Northern Zone, now for some far place, we'll join them, we'll sing this song. We'll enjoy this song, how to welcome all man. Hey. Oh man, welcome to us. Now welcome for us today. Salute all man for us and all man welcome. And Miss Kolu, you welcome for us. And salute all man. Enjoy our Ambazonian nationality, our anthem, our cultural heritage. Emil, you are welcome in the house. And salute all man. Salute all from the Senate. To the Victoria Harbour, asalo na o na the catfish, Bakassi, asalo o na for Kitunja, asalo o na for rice feed them, asalo o Sansan boy them, they together, Jeremy Humble, you na be welcome, asalo na, for all man today, yes, come good, asalo na come good. So, Gladys Babsi, you na welcome, so all man be welcome to the house. Very fast. About what to be happen for ground zero. Hey, my keep charging us. So now welcome today. Now welcome for us. All man be welcome. Sango Roy, be welcome. Okay, welcome. Fredo, be welcome to the special presentation today for us, and we will do very fast to make sure time will know case we for halfway. Okay, so we thank our brother Fungi for that wonderful Mutumbu way. Thank you. May we welcome all man today for us. I salute all man for una. I salute una. we dey strong and we'll be very happy. Say we dance observe our troops them and we want thank General Efang for the good job with the do for arm our boy them and for the new Ambazonian military camp where they don't open them for inside Fako. Na a very strategic camp. Fako na a strategic location for Ambazonia. And with the focus this time, because they already go around share the weapon them for all our various states, from the great state of Mezam to the great state of Menchum, to Momo, to all those our great states them. They don't arm them to their teeth. They prepare them for the next year for the big mission where the ADF CIC don't give for them. We now the complete takeover. The takeover now a big mission where you go to camp up, you go to stand up this January. The soldiers they already do their practice, they already map out La République du Cameroon their location, and they go fight back and they go fight very hard. With the ask some people then try to do last minute contribution for help Temu arm Fako na the target, Fako na the place where you know if be left out. How the other troops over the other side they already gathered the weight. Now time for we to take our responsibility very well for arm Fako. Arm Fako, me Fako be ready for take over. So that when they attack, they go on, it will be seen a complete takeover. We go surround La République du Cameroon for all sides. We will chuchuk them with a corner ways. Many collapse, it will bring down that elephant. As Masanta and Ku, they always talk. So welcome, Oman. Seka Wang, you be welcome for us. Salo Oman Rene, you be welcome. We will go straight today for our production. Because Ambazonia, they always take things them very light. Na anyway, me, una sense pass king, una look on. A day for year for expose una things and way they happen. So that I'm gonna sabi way to way they happen. When I remember that boy where they call him na Wanja, that 419er, that thief man, where he be send message for Ambazonia and for inside Nigeria for Grand One. Say me then give him money. They are making na minister for IG. Na minister of what are waiting for Restoration Council, the fake Restoration Council for the La République illegitimate IG of Samuel Sako. They be go make it for day as a Restoration Council Vice President under Kumeta. Kumeta be na a head. At the tell when I say, this boy did work for La République. Now federalist activists where they pretend say them being a restorationist, they carry flag like Ambazonia, but inside no be Ambazonia. Now wolves in sheep clothing. I will go expose it today, Muguna Sabi, from a chat where we are able to get them from the beginning. I go expose the Wanja today, Muguna Sabi who will be. So first, I go before I want to start exposing, I want to play the video where it make them some small except for the video where that make them how New Year in the case. It come say me they can begin try to prepare themselves for begin damage our revolution. So now the man this here Wenja. When I take on our own eye, when I hear what you he talk for that only.
I want this message. This message is particularly, it will be short, but it's going to Dr. Ayabacho and his group, the AGC and the ADF. Please, I will come straight and tell, make people to understand that Fako people now we want to avoid ADF in Fako, please.
So, on the year main point, say they want avoid ADF for Fako. So, now the main thing is around Ambazonia wanna understand. La République du Cameroon, the Ambazonia Defense Force, now their main target. Now whether when you see they surrogate them, they are embedded agents of La République, how they hide the we could talk say ADF, they already tag the target, main target na ADF, and for Fako because na a strategic position where they don't struggle for bring Sako under them. Some people they talk say Wanja na Chris man. So when they talk, I say, you don't know what they do. So when they talk, say, na man way they fight na for power. Oh, wanna be wrong, na wrong answer. Today I go proof for na way to way Wanja be. The guy na La République du Cameroon agent. No person way there for was struggle say it is support na Sako, he do this one. And after the way where people they over make mistake because we be too gullible. When I feel say La République go shit we no infiltrate our struggle, they no go put their agent them. When I feel say that agent they go come begin carrying na La République du Cameroon their flag for their head before when I go see agent no say na agent. Wenja na La République du Cameroon agent. I talk so because I know time where this struggle be start. This Wanja. If you contact me, na this here, na picture this. If you contact me, the campaign say they want me the president for Ambazonia. Me being Alex Ndive. I will show na the screenshot them. Alex Ndive na person where he be the camp also. Na plain, you know, La République du Cameroon they get their modus operandi. Just like when SDF become, they be bring their own people them inside, so una go for they go enter for them for front skin. Una pretend like so una be na SDF member them. That way they go to hold a meeting, una go to bring confusion for inside, una go to bring argument. They can't give them information, they go know how they go check out way to way SDF the plan them. Now so the people then they now say they be enter wonja now say be take a enter this struggle. He can me contact me for back. He tell me for that early time when Skakuf bit come out. You get the other friend when Alex Nzive. Who said the Alex Nzive picture? The map with picture mona see. At the come I'll expose all the people them today for Unamona Siam. Who said the Alex Nzive picture they said? I go put a picture of Mona Siam when I know the Alex Nzive. They be the campaign. Mola Wonja be the campaign to me Alex Nzive. Ma fight me as an activist in that early stage where we no be know who be who for this struggle. We will see the assemble ourselves for abroad, all man for ground zero, they come together. He call me, tell me, say Capo Daniel, the real person who is supposed to be na Ambazonia president, na Alex Nzive. Because I said they be the campaign for try for infiltrate we, but it no work. It be the campaign for Alex Nzive. Who's that boy a picture? They say, ma find the Alex Nzive picture I put them for the Mona know the one where they talk am. When I see Sep, that one I feel my shy own story becomes small. Una wait to read plenty today. I say to read plenty today. Anyway, the Alex Nzive picture when I know you already, I will show the one way for the phone. Now it is. He dressed like Bamenda man. He carry clothes like a Northwest man to Shidong. Now say be the come. When they talk say activism, Alex Nzive to be the come talk say he to be an activist. Then talk say me then go protest. He to be the carry Ambazonian flag say mo mo go protest. They talk they wear Bamenda clothes. He to the can wear Bamenda clothes can't stand the talk like people. Time way la Republic du Cameroon then start to me then bring down this struggle then call meeting for Yaoundé. He be first man for good. When I see video we make am boya, it turns it turns Ambazonian people say na ma treat this to boya na boya this. Na la Republic du Cameroon agent them where they become for this struggle. And when I go know the true story, now why that way na ye them go put like chief for restoration council. That way they become move Seseko, take control of the interim government. Now the people then this the agent then this way they go put them for restoration council, me then go push la Republic du Cameroon agenda for steer the revolution towards Yaoundé. Now the people then this I want to tell una who will be. Initially, for the first time where this struggle be come out, I will show na la Republic du Cameroon their plan. When this struggle video come on, na wonja, na audio this say, ma show na for my phone. Na this. I show the camera, I the tonton go na different events on the see no. Na wonja that na this, na audio this I go play the audio. Me man officer I play na different audio. I go play the audio for here. When I hear those first audio them where they be the command for target our soldiers on ground zero. Now wonja be the make those audios them with fake voice. Now an agent of La Republic, no be any man where he talk say wonja na Chris man, na tribalistic man. No be no tribalism. Now an agent of La Republic una ye.
That means the interim government, the president and the cabinet. Because La Republic the place on game for year for border. This information na some dear brother when I custom he tell me. The reason why I changed my voice now because I dey here. It give me a lot of information for 2 weeks past.
Una di here? Now wonja that. Now he be send that audio for me, so he be share that audio them. He change his voice for that audio. He make him the talk. When I hear it, he talk. Say La Republic du Cameroon. They the one create fake Ambazonian fighters them for ground zero.
And he just beg on man, say when I pass this message, me reach Chris Anu, when I be Secretary of Communication, or this other man, the other secretary, Milton.
He send that audio. Send me the forward and me go for Milton Takang. Me go for Chris Anu. Because na communication people and that for the struggle.
Mark Barata too, notification for ye. Tapang Evo, any people they will be active for social media. What will La Republic do and say what they don't deform their own army.
Now yeah, ma the talk and me clear. He talk for that audio. The one na early that 2017 where struggle did do enter for inside military side where the first action and no be that even come out. That time where the ADF their bomb be na gas bottle. Now the audio this way they be make them because La Republic du Cameroon. They be the get message where we will not be that even know the development. Say ADF be the B calm them. And they be the preempt them for tribal stop them. Now wonja be the act on the behalf of La Republic du Cameroon. They send out this audio. Yeah, to where they talk am una here.
Militia them for border here. That means they don't bring their own people them. When they army they use them where they take close them. It like say now these other groups them. So when they talk Amazonian Defense Force. So
Una the here. Now wonja that they talk. Say la Republic du Cameroon they make army, fake army. So one day they wear na dress they write am for back say Amazonian Defense Forces. Una the here. Una the here. At that early stage they be already the plan for destroy the ADF. Say na la Republic du Cameroon they make those forces. Now wonja that they talk.
they call different names them. All these people them who brothers them where they go for self-defense SYL their own group. They make uniform now. Write that name them for back. So my dear brother, see what they talk now.
Yeah, they be the sabotage ADF and SOCADEF. Say they make say La Republic they make some fake army them for can bring her for outside. One in name na SOCADEF, another one in name na ADF. Now wonja that. Na that when I go feel say na the person where it be there for they say the help for na activists where no get sense. Na just power mongers. No, na an agent of La Republic where them put it within this struggle. Me destroy the struggle for within. Now the sabotage movement and that. Today they one can fight for Fako. When I be sit will be the one when I say the people already come to the one can open the county by county. The one can take our soldiers them go expose and then annihilate them all. For bring Fako, for bring all the southern zone me for inside La Republic of Cameroon, including the northern zone. Now the thing in that way they be do for kick out the ADF, for even the SOCADEF at that moment. They will target them already that early time for destroy them, for annihilate them. Now that. I go show na the video where it come out, where it don't come out. I don't play on a video, and I don't hear wait to be talk about it. Now the wonja that 419 person. When I remember this wonja, when I even forgot about the 419 because the work I use, like the public they use only 419. When I see success in Congo, place where they. When I see Sako, place where they. This wonja, now part of the people where they be fight for infiltrate them, for put them for strategic position for the struggle. Now, where they become move Seseko for put Sako na part of the people where they use them. La Republic of Cameroon for use them for steer this our revolution towards the direction where they want them. I dey talk and plenty time when I dey feel say na joke because all team for Ambazonia na play for play. Now it is na this time where they infiltrate the struggle. Now Red Dragon this. That way they become and then they talk like say a year. Na it is na me and they talk live video that. That way they be the interface at Lebialem. When I know how God they make it in. The first person where them contact and where they be the enter Lebialem na me. Because they be feel say how they do things small, simple. They go easily manipulate we move begin give them legitimacy. Me they can't deceive Ambazonia. And then this when I see. Now me that I be talk with them live. Tell they be enter with them na that bullet this so update they began for me. Now update that when I see fee machine na that na me that I be talk with them. Then waiting they start bad. Why I start suspect the people them. Now when I start see them start begin take weapon the key our own people. That way they start key our own people them. Now for that I talk say something the way no they correct with the people. When I be done see General Yeke be done can stand expose with where I be the talk before. That I be the talk when I know be the year because all thing where they talk am na play for play. When I see Lebialem before Lebialem one start at the early days. For Lebialem, the beginning, we go and talk when I talk na propaganda. Now Lebialem this, that way this struggle be don't start. Now Lebialem this. 2017. When I listen for Lebialem, that way struggle be the start. The what's the how I struggle they be do set up for Lebialem when I listen.
And I be the commander of this group. Me as a son of here. I know say
na small leader when I see them. Na small leader for day. When I see a small leader.
Now come to my own brother, fellow brother, the village. So that if you join the group and this group is under Ayaba.
Una the year? The fight at the tail now. This group be set up by Ayabacho Lucas. Now Ayabacho be set up this group for Lebialem. In the beginning of this struggle. Before would I even start see social media video them. Now Lebialem picking and this. Where you go take and go train them for inside ground one day. Bring them in, they can fight. La Republic du Cameroon, their agent, their agent provocateur, they can't tell when I say, I have a the work for La Republic du Cameroon. When I feel say they be the talk now because of power fighting. No. Now La Republic be the send them me, they can't talk that talk. No be anything they in La Republic du Cameroon. If you send them me, they can't talk that talk. Now Ayabacho is picking and this. Now Ayabacho is picking and this. It not be just be any kind people where they talk say go call people for your village. Me they can't fight. No. It not be any kind people. These people they be people them as General Ivo talk. These are the forces that were supposed to take us to independence. Well-trained professional force, disciplined with a structure that have a clear line of command, with a command that you can command and deploy and redeploy. This was what should have taken us to Buea. If La Republique did not destroy these forces, using their tactics of using embedded agents provocateurs, sheep, wolves that are disguised like sheep, they will not succeed. We're supposed to be, look at the army. Look, these are army that were trained. Look, I see them. Correct training. Military training. Not be say they don't carry board and give them gun them. Now ADF this. Now they're training now they take them. Correct training with the boy them. To fight for our liberation. But yet our people they need to understand. They done build all this structure for Lebialem, for Manu, all those areas them. They done build them all for fight for liberate we. Now how La Republique du Cameroon succeed for destroy Ambazonia and their structure for ground. The Ambazonian Defense Force. Now for bring infiltrate on this. Now then this way they can destroy we. Now the Red Dragon this. Now Fee Masha this. Then come go ask and say what's the other weapon where they be bring up. Now it is they talk with me live. Now it that they talk with me, Capo Daniel. At the interview they might ask and say who's on a come out or they can gun them. He say Muna no ask plenty question. When I go ask it today, who's the other gun them go? How La Republique we can't take order gun them. Fee Machado we could disappear one night. Ido we could disappear. Collect all granite for picking and put all those guns for inside room for under bed. We could disappear one night. La Republique du Cameroon can enter but come, wipe all man, carry their weapon and go back. Not in that. They don't come and say they can do how they can do them. Now how they can do for wipe, how they do succeed for wipe we out. How La Republique du Cameroon be do succeed. Now how they be do succeed, I will show now. When I see the new video where they come out, where big number, this overall commander of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, he be the interview General Yeke. Una hear for una self. The fighter where they for here. Now one of those fighters the way the field marshal become for day, for can arrest all Ambazonian Defense Forces the way they be there for day, for Lebialem. Now one of them this, where the rank big number down call them for interview with General Yeke for the video where the Rando release. I wanna hear. Yeah, it call him Wapa Ayabacho be the try for build structure for day. Wapapa Ayabacho Lucas be the try for build structure for day for liberate our country. They can't convince una for the whole 2017. Say Ayabacho to work for La Republique. Now say and take and destroy una. It is start by lying the Ambazonia people for gaining that moral authority. For their agents for the ground for be able to penetrate our soldiers. For their agents for abroad for be able to get the moral authority. For direct our soldiers, they meet and go kill their own brother, for go arrest their brother. When I hear the interview, me give una the accounts.
So we contribute one money, one small money, called money for Papa.
When I hear, that way then call Simoli can join them. When I hear this story, we will talk am una if say we will talk na play na make up story. When I hear for their own up, allez, when I hear.
So they organize the go back for a place which we will select. The go for Red Dragon, the Kashi.
When I hear who Kashi, Red Dragon, he call him na Red Dragon Kashi. Somewhere Sako, inside my old phone, I will go take that old phone, come down my iPhone number, iPhone 7. Somewhere Sako be send me that video for Simoli where they don't catch and say my publisher. My publisher, I take. At that time, I check my essay, but the man head the correct. You got to send me picture where they don't catch small picking like the one. Say my publisher and say that picking I want the way they be go born, they go thief for Chris Anu house. I say, we be buy about how did they call them? Fontem niba moto where them born in moto. Now Chris Anu a house where they go burn their house. We no fit buy a new house for Chris Anu. When I go kill this small picking then so. Now it is tell now what happen. Who then kill Simoli? Now Red Dragon they be catchy.
Brother Jackson, they take a go for camp for Red Dragon. We say we can become we the corner mess. One no say one go for some cash. After again we can still cash to one come back. One come for Red Dragon. Come top small the one Red Dragon the cash. Then the top of small he called the mess by force. So now why that every day
then first Simoli me give them Mexico. Wanna be here. That will be tell I say Simoli because if you been a teenager, where they be sure and say na Amazon they use teenager to fight. We tell I said Simoli no be been a fighter, if be been a na person where they give Odeshi. Na person where be the give Odeshi. Wanna hear? Then go kill that boy for nothing. The other one see the way they will come, the way they don't paralyze, see they be beat and so they paralyzed. Then throw it for water, fish it and die.
Mess no fit work because they did not report the mess will be happy. So the one even small go for 2 months. You want to give the lily before you go. The decent will come back.
Now you can that for back day. I can do for day.
No, that one people.
Now you can that.
My people, you know.
Yes. The big me.
When I hear, now so that we can destroy all the forces the way they live for inside the for Lebialem. When now they for the fight for separate we. Now so la Republic we can destroy them. For send their agent them for diaspora. For recruit our boy them for game for under Field Marshal. For use them for dismantle our structure for Ground Zero day. Now Field Marshal. When I be fixed that time, be take hand in the point General Ivo, me then go kill him. When I be fixed they do one for Chris Anu, if they do one for La Republique. The video where they don't come, I don't know what na who go fool me for, or they carry na Magbarata go fool me for, or now then go fool me publish and say Red Dragon go kill La Republique du Cameroon the other week. All man carry them for their head. When I go look the picture of them, I don't get them from my phone for here for begin waste time. I was showing that picture was shown. I said no be that thing no happen for Ambazonia. The dead soldier, they look one of their uniform. It shown a uniform for the North. They go take army their picture. They don't die for North. They never yet publish and can't get them for them. How did they do get those pictures? When I ask them how they do get all those pictures. When I go ask me for. Now who give you those pictures? Then when they can show and say Red Dragon go attack La Republique. If I overtalk and so small time they go do true, they go put a mid and key their soldiers and they can show now. Because La Republique be capable for do everything. When I be see what they do for Bakassi. Now they style and now where they take and kill our people, then dismantle our structure there for Ground Zero. That is the style they use to destroy our struggle. By using Ambazonians to fight us. And today the same thing is going on. In Bui. People sit in the diaspora. They don't send their troops them. Me then go for inside Bui, go capture Ambazonia Defense Forces, their fighter them. Then go for them, go catch Ebube. Population come out to come block them. They open fire for shoot the population. When I feel say now which kind soldier go there to true one, he go take gun and shoot another, so he shoot a civilian and they. Even though be say now one the way they don't manipulate them for diaspora. When I feel say now which kind soldier they go do and so. And when I know what the way happen, after then go for inside Bui Day, I will show now the picture. Then go get the meat and say okay. Now where they don't catch Kapura, and now where they don't catch Kapura, me they make peace. They don't call all the elder them for inside Bui Day. They don't come together, can't shoot down the elder them. I talk with them. I advise them, say no. Now when I picking and that, when I make rule, them me all man there for inside the fight against one enemy. Who said that picture? They might show now. I take some of the video, call them with them. I will share the picture of them later on. The elders then she don't say, okay, move solve this problem now for the Bui. All fight at them. Now when I want to talk so when I be Bui council, when I show say when I want to represent the whole of Bui, okay. For now, way forward, I say wait. Anytime when I go race, when I fund for support, when I soldier them, me that money when I share them for all soldier way there for Bui. No be na so. if na true say na Bui people them they fight na for Bui force. How they don't talk say na local na village fight. They say okay, we go na support una fighter for all fighter for Bui because una they use na the name for Bui for collect money. But una left the ADF because General Commander Kapora talk say if una want kill me, una kill me. Now ADF be bring me for the fight. If I want die, I go die like ADF soldier. I fight for my country under ADF. So the end of the day, then intimidating sute we need for salute Kapora, according cafe. Now correct soldier. He talk say he go die for ADF. Now ADF be bring him for here and he buy the ideology. Una want kill you, una kill him. At the end of the day, then the sesame they release it. That way they release it, then call their patron for diaspora. Tell them the thing the decision where they don't make them. Say the people for Bui, they don't talk say me ADF fighting for your own camp them. After all, now ADF get the majority camp. When I imagine all those ADF soldiers they forgot for they go attack, we talk say no, me no man no go attack when I leave them for day. Because they don't twist all our people their head, all our people they now zam then now they no go believe una. When I go for they go fight, they go turn blame na all una. I salute Brohida. So the ADF soldier then decide for Shidon, they no go for go take the Kapora. They want leave Kapora, then tell their people for diaspora say na the decision they don't make them. The one of the diaspora they not agree because their intention be na say me then deny say me no other force no exist. So then the servers go attack Ebube. Then go attack Ebube. Now but the way population come out can stand for block road. Now as I talk, people then for inside Bui, they attacking Bung, they don't come out go enter for inside the IG camp, destroy 2 of their camp. They don't enter for their camp, destroy 2 of their camp. Because they don't catch Ebube. Unfortunately, they won't go for it for night time. The phone come out talk say me no man no come out for night. That very night they need to make juju. Then send juju and takambung them. Then go enter for inside that their local government camp them. Then chakara places. Disarm 2 of their fighters them. Now as we talk, those their 2 fighters their weapon and they for the ADF where they define never get back for una so una can't take una weapon them. I go play una a situation report from ground zero. I nobody go through classification but see what I feel declassify them because the ADF nobody classify them now ADF material. But when I wait for one moment, ma see if I fit cover some of those pictures and show them for now. Now Ebube this way they don't catch them for day, it don't run before you run go for day. Now the other one then this way they don't rescue Ebube. Man not show a picture them the information nobody be declassified.
Good evening, bro. Actually, which will happen today.
I want you to the
then
report.
The commander for the camp now, he start fire. If fire gun, once if fire gun now, they decide say.
Do one na the ADF commander where they go intervene for
then they draw the commander.
I want to play una.
And because of the IG, them cause the where they did it now.
I go through the classification and then I will decide whether I will publish the audio them and the video. The video then be a little bit blurry, but you clearly see how the population come up for the mami them, takembung them, all woman them for inside Bui. They don't wake up, they don't talk say enough is enough. Now wait till we sako here and the people then say county by county. Bui warrior will fight now about Bui or fight about Ambazonia. When I be feel say the people they need the year, they get sense. We don't need for begin even retaliate. I be very happy with the ADF they are restraining. I know say it be difficult for them, but I be very happy with the restraint way the ADF they don't show them. I be very very happy. Takembung them. Palace release Takembung them. Then go rescue Ebube. Then go enter Chakara camp for day where they don't move Ebube wrong with them. Now the other commander way they don't Ebube they come in and send with the information. But now commander way see one foot day for inside, one foot day for outside. Ebube no already be 100% free. But the commander don't tell me, say man, no worry, all things they correct, they go release Ebube. They go talk for ADF and they go release it because they don't need to go through their protocol. We see call say me they release Ebube. But population, it don't come up for back, stand up for ADF. So we must talk the truth. Majority of the camp never na ADF Bilam. Majority of the fighter they na ADF Bilam. They don't use popular activists, they meet them force them say me them must use the name na only Bui warrior. Na only Bui warrior, na only restoration forces. It never work because money don't go finish. We don't expose all their scamming them. We don't wise up the Ambazonia people. We don't stop for support the fake Bui council. Now fake people they work for La Republique. Now La Republique come around their agent. Because at the end of the day, they go steer the revolution towards that direction. So I don't show on those things them. I want now they come then this when I see. These are the camps. These are the professional army. Well, for the tongue so they for now they for the liberate we. They don't can tarnish their reputation. Give them bad name for destroy the dog. Now the same thing where the other agent for them they do them. The guy for the coin away again. The one they call this other activist where they draw. Some people they tell me say Capot and no call say be La République du Cameroon agent. He is working for La République. How did they call the guy Pascal Consong? Somebody who come out on social media and say that he wants to kill 100 soldiers in Boyo. Somebody who come out to say that General Arike is not a soldier, he's an actor. He's a drama king. He has declared his intention. He wants to kill Ambazonian fighters, 1,000 of them. That is what PK said. Consong. And some of you are still coming, Capot Daniel, don't call him La République du Cameroon agent. Don't call him, we know him already. You know Wonja. You know Samuel Sako. You know Success Nkongo. Who do you think they are working for? Who do you think? Amba Zamzam, when I wake up, when I shine on the eye. Now say politics day. Inside a revolution that have a political ambition, that is how the enemy works. They infiltrate you, they compromise you, they trample you, they bring people to bring, you know, just like that. These are things we just studied these few years, you know. When a police people, the government want to work, they send undercover. When an undercover comes, what does the undercover agent do? They start talking about how to organize the gang, they will help to bring people together, but their aim is not to go and commit any crime. That's why you see people like PK. He has never targeted La République du Cameroon. His drawing and his cartoon is always about Ambazonia. Let's make a government. Let's go and make a country group here. Have you ever seen him telling us to go and fight La République? Have you seen them telling us to go and fight La République? Success Nkongo, he was telling you about Omoyo Jog Defense Forces. Have you ever seen Success Nkongo talking about La République du Cameroon? Let us go and fight with La République? No. All those people are La République du Cameroon agents. They are agents of La République. Now it is here na Success Nkongo here na Nambere. Some people will talk say no be agents of La République. Now the picture this will I catch them for Yaoundé. Now then that is the ambassador of France, a deputy ambassador of France. Those are our enemies. They sit and dine with our enemies and they come and make live show and you go and listen. Today the Nambere and the Success Congo, they are telling our people in Nigeria to go back to Cameroon and the Cameroon government is going to help them to set up business. You have seen the post. Not be me I talk and smarter when I talk in a Capot and you talk am. Not be me I talk am. Aaron, that publisher, when I go read them for Aaron in Facebook. Aaron, they work for that Mark Barata group where they call and Scarf. Scarf when how many people then they the invisible activists. Mark Barata know they Capot and know they Vela Franklin know they Lucas Ansu, you know they so now which activists and that they na their organization that. So these people are working for La République. They are working for La République and you should know that. You entertain them at your own risk. People think that Ambazonia have internal fighting. No, we don't have internal fighting. We are under attack by La République du Cameroon on two fronts. They are fighting us with their military, they are fighting us with their nationalists, and they are fighting us with their federalist agents. Samuel Sako and all the federalist agents, they have come to take over our struggle to pretend that they are Ambazonian, but they are actually fighting for La République du Cameroon federalism. That is the situation on the ground. We are not fighting against each other. Why do you not think the Sword of Ambazonia is fighting ADF? Why does the British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces not fighting ADF? Why do you not see the 7 Qatar fighting ADF? Why do you not see all this group fighting against ADF? But you find all these federalist people in the diaspora, they have come over to take over the structure, to turn our guns against ourselves so that we should kill our own people. These people, ladies and gentlemen, are working for La République du Cameroon. They are La République du Cameroon agents who have embedded themselves within our struggle, pretending to be Ambazonian, carrying Ambazonian flags. But at the end of the day, they are La République. They are La République. Some people will tell me, don't call Frundi. Frundi is not working for La République du Cameroon. I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, Frundi is working for La République du Cameroon. I will play this video for you to see again. You know this video. You have seen this video before. You have seen this video. Let me play it. Look, my talk for Frenchman, he talk. Assimilator talk. On a regarde ce qui se passe. L'arendis. Yeah, pas tante talk. Pas tante talk me to hear you. Yes. Now, pas tante this way Frundi don't go make and they don't go catch him for no nothing. Now, pas tante that with plenty people. Ma play the audio for those people. The moon a year. I go tell una hear people where they don't send audio for outside. Una don't see the picture the way they don't give for outside. Una hear.
I am Epeson Benjamin.
Epeson Benjamin. Una hear another one.
A declaration from Mr. Cheko Akende John, subsection President section of the Momo West.
Una hear.
I, Mary Ann Aggressive of Tinechong 2 here.
That one, another one.
My names are Akam Magdalene Angu.
Una hear another one.
I am surprised to see my name.
The one Aksam Mangelin, he say he be surprised for see name for inside list. How una go do put name for inside list? For take man in name for list, go write am for list. That one na a crime under even the La République du Cameroon, their constitution, na a crime. Now who commit that crime? Now Mr. Frundi. Now Frundi, Nijon Frundi. Now he go write people their name for list where they not give you consent. That is a criminal offense in Cameroon, their law. In Cameroon law, that is a criminal offense. I will quote you the law. In Cameroon law, number 2012/001, April 19, relating to French Cameroon Electoral Code, is being that Electoral Code section 184. It talks say any political party, their list be disqualified if they put member where you no belong to that party. When I hear some of the audio, they talk say I'm not even in a politician. I'm not in any political party. I don't have TPDM card. I don't have SDF card, but my name is there. Those are criminals disguising like Ambazonian or Anglophones. Frundi is committing crime on behalf of La République du Cameroon. To put people's name in list that they don't belong there. No campaign have gone to Ambazonia. They have not have any primary. They have sit in their office, write names together with Mr. Pobia and deposit it in Yaoundé. They are all criminals. Criminals, illegitimate criminals. They should not come and tell us that we should give them their right to express, freedom of expression. To express what? When I see victims. Victim of Mr. Frundi. Now my papa did so. When I see my papa, where Frundi?
Make a mankala.
That in this. That in this. Amba boy, they don't go catch them for no nothing. Now Amba boy, they don't go catch in that. They don't go arrest. They are under arrest. Why? Because Mr. Frundi go carry it and them go put them for some list for some place. Mr. Mano can tell when I say Frundi need to work for La République. Mr. Mano tell when I say John, say and Chris Anu need to work for La République. Chris Anu tell when I say me when I attack UN officer then when they come for East Ambazonia. Why? Because now for La République du Cameroon their interest. They not want me any UN officer enter our land for can do facts finding. They not want me then come when I don't see the way they don't come for right for my village here for bois for boom for can investigate. Yes. Then come for them for can investigate, then can talk with our people, then for find out what it happened. Chris Anu Buami then block them for talk say we will attack them for make them our people then come under their influence. When I hear Fru Johnson, I hear Fru Johnson come for that the ABC News. He can't talk say Abdul Karim be wrong for talk say Siseko Ayok Tabi na face of revolution. When I feel say they attack Siseko na for weti, na for Mr. Pobia behalf. They attack Siseko and Ayaba na for Mr. Pobia behalf. These people are agents of La République du Cameroon. When I go talk, say na me Capo Daniel talk. I don't tell una thing for years and years. It take 1 year, 2 years before the one can show una. When I begin to play for play. These people are working for La République. They are criminals working for La République du Cameroon. They are criminals working for La République du Cameroon. And they come and they are taking advantage of our people because they lack they lack knowledge, they lack activists who can speak the truth. All the activists are there doing their career, opening their TV station and their radio station. While the people are dying, they are turning the struggle into something else. But you are very blessed and lucky that God have sent Capo Daniel to come and tell you the truth just as it is. Like Milton Takan said, only the truth shall set you free. They don't try to attack me for always, for discredit me. They even ban my name, that nobody in SCAF, you should never call the name of Capo Daniel. Others from above, from La République du Cameroon, they ban my name in everywhere that you cannot call my name, but I am still here talking. And I will not go and join myself with any group because I want to please people or to go and be relevant anywhere, even though I accept the position as an ambassador now, because Siseko Debo prison, when he give order, say, can't help me Capo Daniel, bring the two groups together. I did there, they do my best. Agents of La République, they try to stop me for bring the two groups together. But I hope so when I go partner with me, when I go there, when I begin demand Ayabacho and Siseko meet and join. Now the thing that way go give we freedom. Any man where he can attack Ayabacho, he attacks Siseko, na agent of La République. Na agent, or if not be agent, he work for La République du Cameroon their interest. When another one for una head. Any man where can tell una before say Ayabacho work for La République. Say Siseko be compromised. When I throw her off for trash, Hong Kong people will call that one saying a lapsap. That one a lapsap people. They are useful for the trash. Throw away them. Never listen to them. Never believe them. Never believe them. Even if they come now that they want to support you. Hey, we want now to surrender because you have successfully destroyed what we are planning to do. Do not believe them. Do not believe them. Be jealous and hold your independence with fear, with tremble and fear, with all caution. With all caution. Put your money in the freedom pin. You have seen the weapons on the ground. No bin bonbon. You have seen the work of General Ivor. Very important phone call. Yeah, they online now, so are they live for the No Connie Talk Show?
Oh, sorry.
So, my country people, make we turn up strong. La République du Cameroon, na den sese bidan separate we una see am. Na den sese una see the map. Before one carry gun. Na La République du Cameroon, they make their celebration. Then court Ambazonia is side. Say this side so, you know go see air, you know go breathe. Now den sese bidan show we this thing. This fight not be fighter who like problem. Not be fighter who like for key people. But we don't see how they don't separate we. They want treat we like rats and dogs. Then drive we from our village. We go for Nigeria because they talk so be Nigeria people. But we don't deny say the truth shall never die. That 2 cubes of sugar cannot be dissolved. We become no go. We dey for the ground for can remain. We go fight and we go win the fight. They become for can tell una say, hey, me America can't talk small talk. We go fear white people. We go surrender. We deny say no. We no go surrender. We turn up strong. We turn up strong. We no go surrender. So I go recap again. Mona hear all the things the way he did for our struggle. I go recap again. Now I struggle this. Now the fighter and this. When I see how they train. This was supposed to be the structure that is going to liberate us. A force that is disciplined. That takes command. That have a code of conduct. That can project power to the international community. And show the world that we are disciplined army, responsible and capable enough to rule and manage our own affairs. This is the force that was supposed to liberate us. These are the children, the building block of a nation. These are the Amber Boys, the heroes. General Mba Ivor, their patron, their papa. These are the Ambazonia Defense Force, the ADF. Somebody will tell us to go and look for another force. We'll go look them for where? We'll go look them again for whose side. If we deny this one, them now the picking and this for Lebialem. Now smally this. Now smally that. Now the building block. They can't fool una say Ayabacho to work for La République. They can't tell una say Muna no call them say as ADF. Muna call them say Restoration Force. They can't fool una. They want bring one contribution, they will bring another one for can't deceive una. We must rise up, my country people. We must fight the true fight. Now the truth will set us free. We must stand together with all this one mommy and our papa there for ground zero. Where they be come up from 2017. They can't stand up for rise up. Say Ambazonia rising. Say all the prayer, the suffering of our people from generation to generation. Mothers of 60 years, they still go farm. Go find chop for can give their picking. We got them blessed with sonera, them blessed with all kind of them. We'll give to fight up. They say dos a decorum Montreal. We need to fight up. It is glorious to fight and die for your country than to live in exile or to be killed by La République du Cameroon army when you are running. Our boys have risen up. We must support them. We must put them under a structure that we can trust, that we can manage and control the chaos of a wartime, and can project in the diplomatic scene the power and the articulation that can give us a nation. Yes, we must bring all our soldiers to come under the Ambazonia Defense Forces. I say it unapologetically, because General Mba Ivor, whom I am here today, if I have not surrendered, it's because of him. He has bought the land with his blood. And General Ivor said that the ADF is the force that is going to take us to Buea. The ADF is the force that is going to take us to Buea. General Mba Ivor, I quote him. That is what he said. We must all together acknowledge this. This is a disciplined force, well structured, command and control, no be drama, to take us to Buea. They be tell una say this force need exist. They be tell una say this force na propaganda force. They be tell una say this force their own for work fight Ambazonia. But all gun them for inside Ambazonia and they provide them. My fellow Ambazonian, if una want freedom, if una the sorry who own people ready to die, now time for we to put hands together, support this group, you then take us free. Collaborate with them. If they talk say it don't pass una say una one neck, una be neck people, una collaborate with them. Any man where can fight ADF, any man where send message, say una not join ADF, una change name. Because the first come say ADF need it, know they exist, it no worker. They come now say una change name, it no worker. General Capora, it don't show una Commander Capora don't show una say he be lawyer. Why una feel say all the boys they fight for ADF? Say una feel say na money where they give them. Una feel say they over like Ayabacho. No, na because they for ground zero they see them with their eye. If Ayabacho move your hand for this thing, it don't finish. Who they? Una show me. It dey like people where they talk say Capo Daniel. I feel do activism pass you. Asabi pass you. For all the 8 million Ambazonia them. Now how many of we stand up from 2016? Who face for our side? How many of we? The big counter, Mark Barata, Tabang Ivor, Capo Daniel, Bella Franklin. We not pass 10. We not pass 10. No man no go come out today say he can pass me Capo Daniel for a year. No man no day. Even the small one the way they don't come out, the baby one the way they don't come out for inside the camp here for can implant themselves. Go up can I need the beg no man. I need the follow. I need the one any follower. I need the beg follower them. Forget influence. I remain the most influential Ambazonian activist because I represent the truth and I speak the truth to you people. No matter how inconvenient it is, I know the truth will set you free. So together, maybe we hold grass. We encourage our people to boycott all our Republic du Cameroon schools, all the institutions. Let us create our own Ambazonian educational system. Just like the Ambazonian Governing Council have opened a hospital, let us open our own health care. Let us build our nation block by block. Let us do it. We can do it. Yes, we can. We can do it. Yes, we can. Let us build our own military. Now they are not an army. They are a military because they are those forces. We have not had our independence. Me no man no get it twisted. But we must work with what we have. We must collaborate with what we have. We must show the desire to be consistent and to be rational. Any man where it get normal sense, any normal human being, where it think with a normal mind, they ask you say now, if you get 1 million, now how you fit do for win Ambazonia? You go put that money in for Usa way if you work for all Ambazonia territory. Now only ADF. I tell you now. Now only ADF. No other force no day. No other force no day we go work for the whole Ambazonia day for all our territory. Ayabacho na master planner. Benedict Kwa na master planner. People where they learn, they go for school for go learn. Sheikh Kavi, they go for school for go learn. Not be because they want go make money. They go for school for go learn because they want can help Ambazonia. Me I there for here, I don't learn, I don't read book them for tactics, military tactics, guerrilla warfare, Haiti history. I give myself doctor of doctors, master of philosophy, master of engineering science, of warfare and all things. I give those titles to myself because I deserve them for 3 years learning. I'm the most effective strategic planner in Ambazonia because I have the heart to fight for our people. So let us come together and help these ADF fighters to win us. I'm happy that Mr. Yerima, the acting interim president, also is not fighting them. He's trying to help them to win us, to win the battle. Help them and win them. Help them and you will win. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will leave una now. If some person want call, I will allow that line for open, but today I not be plan them. I will leave una, make we gather ourselves with the same message for as I say, January and February go be a month where the new program where Ayabachoran declare them, the final takeover will go on. Whether they can twist the name, make another name, they say, hey, na final battle or na last battle or wait, whatever. Make una give honor where honor is due. The final battle is coming. Let us get ready. Let us arm Fako. I've shown you people already the agents of La République du Cameroon. I've shown you the agents of La République du Cameroon. You know them already. Not than that. This is my message with Wanja. You can see him here. Thank you, Capo Daniel, for that video. You see, I don't play audio for here. He was a guy who was there going around making fake audios about ADF and SOCADEF because he's working for La République du Cameroon. They come and tell you that he's not working for La République du Cameroon. Wanja is working for La République du Cameroon. This is his message. I'll put it there for you to see. That was his message when he contacted me. Wanja. Let me recap again once more before we close. This is my message with him. Take a look. I hope you can see the camera can show it very well. That's Wanja. When he contacted me early on in this struggle, this guy Wanja contacted me. He has been sending me on my WhatsApp and on my Facebook page the fake audios targeting ADF and SOCADEF right from 2017. Listen to him. Yeah.
Hello, Ambazonians. Please, I beg you to pass this message. I call my brother and sister and say, pass this message. Quick, fast. I beg me reach every leader, all our leaders.
Yeah,
that means the interim government, the president and the cabinet.
Sending out fake audios, disguising his voice, saying that La République du Cameroon are creating a force in Lebialem and around the borders of La République with Nigeria, that is in Dadi, and giving them a dress to wear. On the dress, it is written there, Ambazonia Defense Forces, that is the ADF. Also written there is SOCADEF. That these forces are not Ambazonia forces, they are La République du Cameroon forces. We know that he is lying. At that moment, people did not know that we have armed groups that were ready and was training, as we have seen in the video. I'm going to play you one of the video again. You can see the forces behind. They were training there. Those were ADF forces. Those were legitimate forces that were training to fight and liberate our country. But he was deceiving our people to convince us that these forces were there training for La République. They were La République du Cameroon forces. Now you know Wanja is not just crazy. He's not just tribalistic, but he's an agent of La République du Cameroon. He called me and was asking me to campaign for Alex Ndive to become the next president of SCACUF. They were embedding themselves. Alex Ndive, you saw him dressing up and carrying up Bamenda clothes, Lena Beta man. But he was there embedding himself, trying to become the leader of the struggle to take over the revolution and steer it to La République. You saw him in La République shaking the hands of Atanganji Paul, going to Boya to taunt us and say, this is Boya, this is my trip to Boya. These are not people who are crazy. These are not people, the devil do not dress with the tail, with the horn. This is a con man that was selected to infiltrate our struggle and stir our struggle to La République du Cameroon. These are agents of La République du Cameroon. You saw them together with Success in Congo. These are all people who were working for La République du Cameroon. You have seen them with the enemy. You have seen them talking to the French assistant of the deputy of let me put the picture up. The deputy of the French embassy. These are people who are our colonizer. These are our enemies. These are the people who are killing us, giving ammunition to La République. You don't need a science to tell you. And by zamzams and lazy politicians will tell you, hey, Wonja is this, he's that, he's not an agent. I'm telling you today, these people are working for La République. They have been working for La République all along. When you see them, you run away. They are working for the enemies. They are infiltrators. Do not be lazy. This is how governments work. They implant people. They stir us. They come into our meeting. They hijack our revolution. They cause confusion. They bring in fake ideas and things that are going to distract us while the enemy take advantage and finish us all. So be mindful, hold your grounds, respect the Independent Day Ghost Town, resist, set up our forces, set up scouts in our neighborhood by neighborhood, county by county, village by village, and fight La République du Cameroon. It is more honorable to die in fighting with the enemy who is going around terrorizing our people, raping our women, killing as early as 4 months old children. We have to fight them and die fighting or have our freedom. We cannot live a life with our dignity as human beings, as people, with these people going around destroying our village. So ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Una turn up fine and a happy new year in advance. 2020 in our year for victory. We declare the year of February, me all man stop humanitarian action because it will be a fireworks for the final takeover. God bless you now.